Hello and welcome to another Algorand video. Just want to give you a quick update. Someone requested it, so I thought, come on, let's do it. And there we are. So we can see how well these Fibonacci retracement levels have actually worked for Algorand. And I haven't changed anything on this chart. This is still a several weeks old chart, I think, with these Fibonacci retracement levels. I haven't moved anything. So we can see that we've actually have found the low here at the moment, at least at the 150 level, which was the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. In one of my last videos, I said I would believe that we hold them here because compared to other cryptos, where we've only come down to the 0.618, with Algorand we've actually come down to the 0.786. So for me, that was pretty much like sort of a confirmation that we've come down lower already. So from here we might also have a stronger push to the upside, and well, at least for now we've held it, and we are now currently finding resistance at the point at $2.04 pretty much, which is the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level. So you can clearly see that how the daily candle here currently is finding resistance. And then also yesterday we faced resistance at the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level, exactly at 189. And here on the daily, it looks quite good actually compared to other cryptos, Algorand. I need to say that I've just made an XRP video where we're really trading around all the three main moving averages, the 20, the 50 and the 200. And also we had a bearish cross on the 20-day moving average. And we are here on still clear in an uptrend in my view on Algorand. I mean, yes, we are now above the 20-day moving average again. We are above the 50 and above the 200. We recently had a golden cross. This is all looking good. And if you remember back, I remember when I did one of my first Algorand videos on technical analysis and we were at around $1. I did say this is a late starter, and it was, because shortly after I made my first technical analysis Algorand video, it really broke to the upside, as I did say back then, because I said, Algorand had a lot to catch up, and it had a lot to catch up. And in this recent move to the downside, it didn't come down that far. So it was a nice addition to any portfolio to have something more safe. It's a bit, I don't know. It's still low market cap still, and compared to Bitcoin, of course, but it is more volatile, of course, like many other cryptos as well. But it's held quite well, actually. It has held quite well. And I think we're now at a tipping point. In my view, to get back into bullish territory, really bullish territory, and continue our move to the upside to potentially 255, 260, which would be our target at some point, because that was the recent high here that we've made in September. Well, we would need to break above that 204 level. So I'm watching that level very closely. You can clearly see how you pretty much have this divided. You had when we were above the 205 level, we had really strong candles to the upside, and as soon as we've been below that, we had this drop here. So it's really that sort of, they are halved pretty much in the middle. And yeah, if we go up again, I did say it back then, we've got this potential trend line. It's not a confirmed one because we only had 2 touches here, but it is quite nice to see that this is where we came up in the first move to the upside. This is where we came up to the second move in the upside. And let's just assume we came up in the third move to the upside. We could now get up to something like 273 or something, if we assume that trend line will continue in that ascending manner. Let's go to the 1 hour chart just to give you an idea where we are in the very short term here. And it looks like, as we can see it currently with so many other cryptos, why can I not, oh, sorry, just need to deselect that. As we can see it with so many other cryptos, we've got that horizontal resistance line here at 204, and we have made the same pattern as with so many other cryptos. We have found our bottom here, double bottom at the 150 Fibonacci retracement level at 0.382, no, sorry, the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level at 151. Since then, we've made higher highs, higher lows, which is great. We've come above that recent swing high here in our move to the upside. And yeah, again, one of these moves where we are preparing for a break to the upside, because essentially you come up not too rapidly, actually in a nice, maybe something like 45-degree fashion, and we are getting closer to this resistance line, and maybe the sellers will try to push it once more, and then we get to the upside, as we've done with Bitcoin, I think. Already we can see that we're in a clear uptrend, getting close to the overbought level. Might be a bit of consolidation, but essentially this indicates that we are in an uptrend. We are above 50, which means we are bullish on the short term in the 1 hour. We've made a bullish cross here as well on the MACD and on the ADX. We can see that we are now in an uptrend. We are above the 25 level, above the 20 level. And we also have the green DI line above the red one, which again indicates we are in an uptrend. And for me, it is looking increasingly better. There is this neckline, and this neckline is here exactly, plays out perfectly because it is the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level. Clear neckline of that double bottom pattern. And if we break to the upside, yes, we could. First of all, I think we will get, you know, that is a potentially valid trend line here that we need to observe. But then looking at a potential target for that double bottom, if we just say, right, we've got the neckline there, we go from that neckline down to the lowest. I don't know why that is not. Let's just leave it like that. Take that one and move it up here. And yeah, that could take us as well very close to that level here of that ascending trend line, but pretty much to the same level that we had before here on the 13th of September, which is around 255, 256. This one as well takes us to 256, 257. So I think, you know, it's when we break that 204 and we potentially retest that successfully, I think it would be a good entry. Of course, no financial advice, but it is something where someone could enter a long position and potentially get an exit then either here at the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level where we found a lot of resistance before, or wait until we get to the 100% here, the 2.50 or something, 2.55 maybe, but I would probably take some profit at 250. That's only my personal view. Hope you liked that update. If you did, please smash the like button, and if you want to follow me on this crypto journey, please subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.